Rolling.
Rolling. Okay, Rita Sanya.
Yes.
Ada. What is Ada? Inna irukku.
Ada ellam. Ada ida ellam. In one show, I think I got to be all these different people.
Okay, you're not donning different roles, like especially the security thing. Looks so cute. What
Not
was
very
it?
cute in the show, but
What was it all about? You know, looks so nice, and with that face, you're looking so much like Vijayanti Mala.
oh, thank you, Virgin.
Really?
She was my dad's favorite actress, and because she was his favorite, I used to also watch all her videos and movies, and then she became my favorite also because she completes all her movements while dancing, and she's one of my favorite actresses, dancers, who's all in one package, who can do all genres. So. And yeah, she used to manage all looks also, no? Western, Indian,
Yes.
Bharatnatyam,
Exactly.
village girl, rich woman, everything. I
Everything,
think, yeah,
yes,
she was
yes.
someone like that. So, thank you. That's a very big compliment.
Yeah, and so many avatars, you know, living their lives on screen must be so exciting for you. Which was the best avatar you must have liked, and which was the avatar you must have taken lots of time to deck up and don it, like, you know?
This took the longest because I'm wearing a fat suit, so we had to wear that first and then wear the sari blouse over it, and you sweat, and then you can't bend your arms because those pieces were there. Then I got rash, and so all that happened with this, but it's kind of my favorite. And maybe the Koli Bai, the Haryana, I don't know, every day we used to play one and then I used to say that, but this is the Haryanvi reporter, the Koli Bai, this is the sexy waitress, the prostitute, the security guard, and food inspector.
Wow, such a great this thing. You know?
I know, I have a whole filmography in just one
in
show.
one show.
That's
But
right.
coming back to being a lawyer,
Yes.
how legally perfect are you?
Not really. In real life, I'm an actor.
Yeah,
So,
on real life, you
I,
say.
on real, I hope I'm perfect. The audience will decide. But I hope we are good on real. But on real, I mean, we read our legal contracts and everything. But I can't say I'm the best person for legal stuff.
Okay, is this the legal part you're playing for the first time?
Yes, technically, I've never played a lawyer before. So yeah, I am. But again, it's a space of larger than life, pulp fiction. So of course, your court scenes are real court scenes, but it's in the world of Rita Sanyal, which is almost like you have larger than life villains who fly and villains who have those things on the face and the needles, and there's a villain called Acid Anna, Magnet Meena, Z. So there's very cool people on the show.
So, did you have to prepare anything? And I believe you had a tough competition with the opponent lawyer who played Wicket.
Because I mean, on the show he does, and it's not even competition on the show. He's a very well-renowned lawyer, and I'm a newbie who's done some 2-3 very small cases. I've just started my career, and now I've got this huge political case that I'm fighting, and I'm fighting against these corrupt people, these big politicians, these. So there's no chance of Rita really winning, and he's someone like Thakral, who's Rahul Dev, who's the opposition lawyer, someone I look up to. So it's how this girl works really hard and tries to. You'll see if she's won the case or not.
Okay, as you say, you're a starter. So let me revive your memories and come back to your real life when you started with Bollywood films. How was
Yes.
it? It must have been such a good experience. Some good, some not very good.
Yeah, I think well, all sorts of emotions. I think I got to experience, and as an actor, I think you are the best actor if you can display a range of emotions, and you can display a range of emotions. Sometimes, if you've gone through them in real life, you can go back to your pocket of emotions and pick up an emotion. I can promise you that my whole journey has got me through such a roller coaster of emotions that now I use them for each character. Whenever I have to, I dig into my emotional bucket and use that.
Okay, this roller coaster road brought you right up, touching the horizon after you did Kerala
Yes.
stories. How do you look up to yourself, not your journey, but about yourself, up to yourself, because you worked so hard and now you're a personality to reckon with. It's not really easy.
Yeah, but see, working hard, I think I know so many people, like on our show also, there are so many actors who are starting off, some who've been in the industry for so long and not got a chance and maybe got a role that is a day. they just have 2 lines. I know something, and they are so talented. They are good-looking, talented, well-groomed, well-dressed, well-prepared, everything, and they've come for 2 lines of a role which they are working so hard to do. So hard-working. I think everyone in our industry pretty much is. I'm one of those who got very fortunate, and the audience propelled me to reach that stardom. I'm very grateful for that. But hardworking, I think everyone is. Yeah, मैं किसी को नहीं जानती हूँ जो hardworking नहीं है. बहुत मेहनती है लोग और बहुत talented है सब लोग. बहुत.
तो यहाँ से आपके फैंस आपको कहाँ पहुँचाएंगे? क्योंकि ये एकदम अलग. You have always tried different kind of characters. You know, this is the multi characters that you are doing to
Yeah, I
showcase, and
think,
it must have not been easy getting into one and getting out of the other. Like, you know.
But that's the dream, no? That's what we all dream
Yeah.
for. If I'm playing my dream role and every other actress's dream role, I'm sure when they watch this, everyone will be like, this is so cool. And I think my audience will enjoy it. Yeah, बहुत रुलाया लोगों को केरला स्टोरी में बहुत रुलाया. I think थोड़ा हंसाने का time आ गया है. And with Sunflower, people really enjoyed me doing comedy also. So there's comedy, action, सब है. What I've done in all my projects, I think in this.
Any one of these you must have carried back home, and it was difficult to for you to not let it go out of your memory.
All the characters I've played till today live within me. So there's like there's multiple personalities who currently live within me always anyway. I don't really let any of them just go easily. They're all there, dormant, but they exist.
Yes. Okay, coming back to last time we spoke about your bungalow house. Yes, Sushant Singh Rajput ka. How are you living in it now? You know, because you are very. I mean, you don't have furniture and anything. Have you thought of bringing any furniture now? What is the progression living in there? How
Exactly
do you
the same
feel?
as it was, and I enjoy my space.
Mhm.
And in my house, when I lived in Bandra also, I did have furniture then, but no, I lived comfortably, very comfortably.
How's the progression been there? You know, people were like in awe, other having.
They can have their emotions and everyone is entitled to those. I keep mine extremely joyful. I love the space. I love the ocean and the trees and the birds, and I told you that last episode.
Yes.
It's exactly the same.
Are you very close to that nature poet William Wordsworth?
Oh yeah, William
Yeah.
Wordsworth. We
Because I
had
know,
it.
yeah.
My grandmother is an English
Yeah.
teacher and she used to read a lot of William Wordsworth. What is the
We
other
have no
famous
time
one?
to stare and stare.
We have no time to stand and stare. We
Yeah.
what is this life with full of
Full
care
of
when we
care.
have no time to stand and stare. So yeah, I try to not apply that to my life.
Right.
No, I want to have time to stand and stare. I mean, so my life is full of care and I have a lot of time to stand and stare.
But in your profession, you know, you're so busy. At times you don't get. Then how do you cope up with that time when you don't get?
I make
And
time
who do you
for
stare
that
the
thing.
most?
Act, squirrels and crows and birds. I find them on set. I find them. I will make time for them. That's my main life. I part-time act.
No wonder you have a pretty cat with you. Tell us something live about it.
The cat is in the car right now. It's a pillow which
I know it
lean
was
on
here
for-
somewhere.
Oh, the cat's
It was
not here. The
somewhere
cat
here,
maybe ran
but
away.
It was somewhere here. Where can we bring
She's
it?
making her Bollywood debut
Can we
shortly.
bring it
Yeah, but it'll
somewhere
take you
here?
a while. It's in the car. Radha kahan hai?
Oh, Radha Park.
Oh, Irkir.
Irkir
Sorry,
to
she's
Radha
making.
Park.
Of course, she's making her Bollywood debut soon.
Oh, okay. Wow. In your film,
So
she'll be the second lead.
she'll definitely be the lead.
Wow, so
on lead.
pretty. Radha, how are
And
you?
she's very talented as well.
Is she there with you for the 24 hours?
Uh, not
When do you leave?
really when she's not preparing for her Bollywood debut. Then,
What is the title for her Bollywood debut?
what would you like to do? Something very nice. She's just preparing right now. She's going to the salon and the parlor every day
Oh my
and
God.
preparing for going to the gym and she's become very thin also.
Other doesn't need to go to the salon and
Why?
She's a natural, pretty woman. What is your keeping yourself beautiful? What is your beauty mantra?
But I do my parlor activities to myself at home. I groom myself at home. No, it's important to look nice. Yeah, I tweeze my eyebrows daily. With
Ah.
my my
Such a
eyebrows.
huge
I
growth.
tweeze the center portion of my eyebrows every day. I leave the rest. But no, grooming yourself is important. Yeah, I avoid going to the salon because I'm uncomfortable with people I don't know touching. But otherwise,
Touch me not, kind of.
little bit.
Little bit.
Little bit.
Usually South Indians are like that.
Tamil
Like,
yeah.
Tamil
Then
touch
you
touch
bend,
touch
touch.
in,
Amma touch.
so was a cuddle, kuchiku, different kind of stuff. Okay, before we leave, let us talk about the fitness mantra, because the guards are already standing.
Okay, what fitness mantra of each character? Each character had a different fitness mantra.
Okay.
When you watch the show, you tell me whose fitness mantra you like the most.
What about others with the fitness mantra? You know, when you are growing up, it's so different.
Mine is pretty much doing the same. I'm still doing all the activities.
Yoga,
Meditation I have started a little. I'm not very good at it, but I'm working very hard to be able to sit in one place quietly and not let my thoughts wander. That's the main thing. Thoughts wandering, and when you don't want your mind to think of something.
See, we are so much into the crowd, you know. At times you would like to be far from the maddening crowd. And how do you keep your mental strength? You know?
I keep myself far from the maddening crowd at all times.
What about your mindfulness? You would like to guide somebody, you know. How is it like in today's time? You know? How should
Everyone's
they keep
mindfulness
themselves?
journey is different, but if I have to give a sweeping statement, I think just gratitude to whatever you have, because what you have, you know, someone else is dying for. And as soon as you think of that, you'll just be more grateful. Also, you should know that this moment is going to become the past, and you know, the future is going to be the next moment. So maybe not take things so seriously.
Yeah. Obviously, since you're talking about the tenses, present becomes past, future is yet to come.
Yes.
Do you ponder about your future?
Yeah, naturally I do. I try to not and try to live in the moment as much as I can, but I'm human, so.
So, on a parting note, what are your future films and your future? Will you be doing any films in Tollywood? Kadichitja?
But we're figuring dates at the moment.
Yeah,
I
you told me
don't know
last
how
time.
I'm going to manage being in 5 places at the same time, but that's the plan. I would like to. Pan India is always been any great role in all my films.
What about Vikram Bhatt's film? I believe you're shooting, busy shooting.
Yes, so we're
Round
shooting for
the
that
clock.
also, and I'm shooting for like 5 things. Don't ask, but I think when things are ready, we should speak about them,
Yeah.
and we should live in the moment and not think
Yes,
about the
thank
future,
you.
as you said. So the moment is Rita Sanya.
Rita Sanya.
That's
So
the
people
present.
go and watch Rita
Yes.
Sanya.
It's also the
Pretty
future.
woman.
It's going on for the next month, right? It's 1 episode a day. So Rita Sanya is the present and the future.
Thank you.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.